Develop a complicated understanding. Complicate yourself. The world we live in today is fast-paced, dynamic and ever-changing. It is blooming, buzzing and confusing. Much of which is unanticipated. It is highly volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. As such, the problems, issues and challenges we face become more unstructured, non-routine, dynamic and not clear-cut. If that is the case, instead of simplifying our thinking, we need to complicate ourselves. What is it? Developing a complicated understanding of real-world problems, issues and challenges require you to do three things. First, learn to do differentiation. Try to open up as many ideas, opinions and perspectives to the topic at hand. In other words, get as many different ways of looking at the topic. This is very much like divergent thinking. Next, you need to do integration. Basically connecting ideas from the myriad of ideas you generated in the divergent stage. Here you will begin to see connections between different points of view and literally begin the process of reconnecting the dots. This process is similar convergent thinking. Doing differentiation, then integration will then lead you to some compelling insights that you may not have seen before. Example 1. Imagine you are given a task to perform and it is very easy to do because you have done it many times before. Encourage yourself to think about alternative ways of doing it, ways that will produce a better outcome. Example 2. You are attending a classroom or training workshop. But the content is simple and straightforward. See if you can make a meaningful contribution by raising a question, comment or sharing that will make the subject more alive and interesting. Example 3, there's an old saying which states, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Complicating yourself would encourage one to say, if it's not broken, let's do it better. Why is it important? Complicating yourself allows you to acquire a wider and deeper understanding of the complexity of the type of ill-structured and messy problems that have become ubiquitous in our everyday lives. Put quite simply, if the world is complicated, you should be prepared yourself to see the world differently so that you see different things. Exercise how to practice and apply it. Think about a really tough unsolved problem, issue or challenge you are currently facing and then apply the 3 key steps we have outlined you.